Welcome to my modern home office setup for productivity, comfort, and aesthetic. I've made some upgrades since my last setup video. Let me show you around. I'm a software developer who's recently got into tech content creation. My setup is used mostly for working from home, but also gaming in my free time. I'll be going over a detailed tour, my tech highlights, and design and productivity tips. So this is my main setup here that I use at home. We got this big table from Ikea here. We got two white drawers, the Alex drawers from Ikea, and there's also some support stands there from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. We also got my laptop in the back there on a stand, some wireless tech at the front there, and basically my two main monitors there, which is held up by a monitor arm, dual arm stand. Got my gaming PC on the side there, which is also holding up my gaming headphones, some gaming keyboard and mice, and some little Funko Pops and figurines, and a Google Home. I'll be going more into detail about these objects in the next parts of the video. So I got the desk from Ikea. It's called the Karlby, I think. I'll leave it in the description. The drawers are the Alex drawers as well from Ikea. And the small stands between the desk and the drawers are from Amazon. The two monitors are AOC 144Hz. I'll leave the right model in the description. They're standing on a dual monitor arm. I also got a wireless keyboard and mouse from Logitech and headphones from Sony, the WH-1000 XM5s. Honestly, having all these different high-tech products helps my productivity and enhances my workflow. And the monitor arms keeps the cables organized as well, so there's no cables hanging under my monitors. Here's my first setup from the pandemic, where I had a single 60Hz monitor on top of an Xbox. And then I later upgraded to a second monitor, where I finally got a Mousepad. Behind my monitors, I got my work laptop on a stand here that I got off of Amazon. On the right side of my setup, I have my gaming PC here. And then I got the webcam here. I think it's a Logitech C920. I'll put in the description as well. And then you can also see the mics on the different little mics on the Sony headphones here that really improve the quality. The cable management on the monitor arms is really great. Honestly, it hides all the cables. It's hard to hide every single one due to me using my work laptop and gaming PC for that monitor arm. So eventually there's too many cables, but it does do a good job at hiding them. Under the desk, we have a cable management Ikea rack. I'll add that in the description. It's honestly really great. You screw it under the desk and it hides all the cables, so you don't see any cables hanging down below the desk. On my gaming PC, I have this magnet. It looks like a puck. It's from NZXT. And it's great for hanging my gaming headphones, and it looks kind of stylish as well. And then I got this extra large mouse pad. I believe it's from Mousepad company. It's been really great so far. It's washable, and it's really smooth for keeping my mouse in top shape. The LED strips on the back of the monitor come from NZXT. They come with an adhesive, so it sticks behind the monitor, keeping the cables hidden. And they also allow me to control their colors from the NZXT Cam app on my PC. There's many different options, but my favorite mode is probably the moving super rainbow. I also have this desk lamp from Miniso. Just a simple desk lamp, a couple different colors for daytime or sunset mode. It's been good so far. I also got these figurines, such as a Harry Potter I got in the UK, a Zoro from One Piece, and Tanjiro as well from Demon Slayer. On the side wall, I hung up Ikea's pegboard, which holds various items, such as memorabilia to my different keycaps, and as well other Funko Pops. I do like having a splash of personal taste in my setup. I want it to be as clean as possible without being too minimal and bland. My daily routine usually involves me working from home, using my dual monitors, my wireless keyboard and mouse from Logitech, and my work laptop that stays on its stand behind the monitors. I do my meetings with my Sony headphones and the Logitech camera on top of my main monitor. I've also been a big fan of the Secretlab Titan chair. I've never had a sore back after a long day of work, and the headrest is great when I'm ever in boring meetings and I need to rest my head a bit. I prefer to sit in front of my main monitor and use a second monitor to the side for programming and work. Usually I'll code on my main monitor, have my emails or my browser open on the second monitor. What's your monitor setup look like? After work, when using my PC for gaming, I switch to my wired gaming keyboard, mouse, and SteelSeries headphones. I recently played Red Dead Redemption 2 and loved it, and I plan on playing The Last of Us soon. If you recommend any other PC games, let me know in the comments below. For scheduling tasks, I use Microsoft Task on my work laptop to keep track of my project tasks. I also have a work focus mode on my phone, iPad, and other Apple devices to reduce the number of distractions while working. In terms of setup improvements, I plan to upgrade later this year. The biggest upgrade would probably be the desk itself. I find this setup bigger than it needs to be, and the set of Alex drawers are a lot more storage than I need it. I'm thinking of getting a different desk with one side of desk storage and the other side of legs. I'll put a picture above. In terms of cable management, it's hard to keep the cables completely hidden in the setup because I'm using multiple cables for my work laptop and my PC. I was suggested by a viewer before to get a cable sleeve to at least group the cables behind my gaming PC, so it can at least hide the odd ones sticking out. Overall, I'm happy with my setup, keeping it as clean and organized as possible, prioritizing wireless tech while adding some personal touch to my setup. What's your must-have items in your workspace? If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, it means a lot. And let me know in the comments what you like about your setup and if there's anything you'd wish to improve about it. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll catch you in the next video.